Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video for ecomly app today. And I'm excited to show you the software. It's something really unique that has to do with Instagram. If you don't know, Instagram is being used by businesses all around the world right now to advertise their products. It's a social network that operates on images and posting images and then getting engagement based around what images you post. Depending on what images you post, people will follow you, people will be interested in your content, and as a result of this, a lot of people follow a lot of Instagram or famous Instagram people or famous Instagram companies, and they actually follow them to see what kind of clothes they have coming out, what they're wearing, what bags they have, and a lot of people are using this as a great traffic source to drive traffic for their e-commerce store. So if you went to Instagram.com, you'd be able to go through, you'd be able to search and see a lot of these companies that are doing this. If I was to search clothing, in Instagram, we're going to see a huge amount of different people coming up advertising clothing and getting a lot of likes, a lot of engagement based around their clothing. So these are brands, these are businesses that are using Instagram now on a regular basis to generate a lot of traffic and a lot of traction for their brands and their products. Now, what this software does, which is quite unique, is it not only gives you the ability to create a store that people on Instagram can go to, but it generates traffic through a unique method using the Instagram API. Now, what I'm telling you right now is based around trying out this software. They don't have the training up yet as I review this video, and I'm waiting for that training to go in to actually go through it myself. So after using the software, what I've got from it is that you're able to create a store, and then what you're able to do, which is really quite unique, is you're able to set a number of special hashtags. Now, when you update content to your Instagram and someone makes a comment and includes that hashtag, what the software does is it automatically writes a message to that person that's commented, asking them if they would like to visit your store. You could give them a coupon for your store, you could give them a link to your store, and you write the comment basically in here. You can also do spinnable comments, so the comments always show as different comments. And what you can also do here is you can use a number of sale hashtags. So it might be, for me, I might hashtag dealman. If that hashtag is mentioned in any one of my comments after posting to my Instagram, what it'll mean is that this message that I'm writing up now will actually be automatically sent out to them. So it might be thanks for following us or commenting. Thanks for your comments. Check out this website here. And you could put your website URL, which might look something similar to this, or you might put, whatever it is that you're trying to advertise. This is the store created with the software to get a discount off our products. Cool. Then you click save, and what it means is that username replaces the username of your customer. So username, if someone is commenting, you can actually use their own name, and $sales page replaces the product page. So you could actually, if you wanted to, go and direct someone to a specific product page based on what you're promoting. Okay, so let's click save. That's going to be updated. It says saved successfully. Now when someone comments on our Instagram page, we'll be able to then direct people, or people will be updated with this particular comment. Also, you have your shop here. Now, you can create your shop and adjust your shop settings by clicking on shop settings, and you can actually add a logo. For the example today, what I've done is I've actually added in Dealman. I've said Dealman is the brand that I'll be advertising as, and I've written a logo in. I've also got a, I can upload a logo here, and I've grabbed the data off this this e-commerce store right here. Now, depending on what advertising you're doing, you'll either use a store that looks like this through Shopify or a similar type store. Whether you use Shopify or not, this software will work with your website. Now, once you've added your shop settings, your store settings, what we can do is we can go to shop appearance, and what that's going to do is allow us to choose one of 3 themes. So we can choose this, we can say use this template, and then we can start using that template as well. We'll then be able to go ahead, we'll be able to do a content search and have a look at our competition. Through this content search, you're basically looking for potential images you could use for your store, or you're looking for what your competition are doing, what they're updating about, so you can get some ideas of what kind of updates you should be doing as well. So for clothing, for example, I might just search clothing. Very general term, you'd probably want to get a bit more specific than this, and it's going to come up with some of the most popular clothing updates that are happening. It also comes up with the hashtags, which can be quite useful because you can copy and paste those hashtags into your posts. You can also write a message in your posts when you update to Instagram encouraging people to comment, and what that's going to do is it's going to encourage people to comment to get that message about your store, and it becomes a bit more personal, and it's a message that may help in making more sales. It's something unique over Instagram and something that will make you stand out, compared with other businesses that are out there. So if you find some images you want to download, you can either download them or you can actually click on the link and have a closer look at them. You can look at people's pages and do research with this content lookup. You can also look at your own links here as well, and this store link is a link that you can add underneath your posts that people can view if they want to as well. So you might put in, say for example, if it was Dealman, I might put in dealman.co.nz to my store, and people would be able to then go to that. I'll just I'll do that again, dealman.co.nz, click save, and save successfully, and it doesn't seem to be updating my store link right now. Not sure entirely why. Cool. I'll have to let them know that that's not updating. For whatever reason, it doesn't seem to be wanting to update my store link. So be aware that this particular feature, the store link feature, or it'll add a store link under your image, isn't currently working. So I'll give you an update on that in my email after contacting creators of this to ask them why that's happening. Alright, so that's basically what we can do through this software. We can create a store like this. We can post our different updates and have them updated to the store. We can also add integration with Shopify. Now this can be quite useful because if you can integrate Shopify with the software, you can add your different product pages from Shopify into the software. You've also got app settings here as well, which will allow you to, I believe, add your again Shopify products once you've actually gone ahead and installed Shopify or shown where your Shopify domain is. It'll grab the products from there and add them to your store. So it's got a contest feature here. Now I'm not sure if this is included on the front end or the back end, where you can actually run contests within ecomly software. So you can actually run a contest. You can ask people to do a certain hashtag to enter the contest, and you can have a start date and an end date where a draw will be made. You can also embed the contest on your store, so people will be able to engage on your store through this contest as well. So this is basically what the software does. It gives you the ability to post to Instagram. It gives you the ability then to, when someone posts, respond to them, referring them to your store. You can then create your store through this software, so you've got an Instagram store that people can either purchase through, or you can use as a bridge page to send people to your actual store. So this is a bridge page. When people click this button here, they can be sent to your actual store. These updates are provided, I believe they're embedded from Instagram as well, so you would basically creating another way that people can see all of your products, and then you've got your logo up top. So you can customize this as a bridge page, and the intention of this is to hopefully sell more products through Instagram. So this is what the software will do. My personal thoughts on it. Instagram is a great opportunity right now. It's a place you should be marketing on. This software isn't necessary to succeed over Instagram, but it may help you make some more sales once you build up a good amount of people who are looking at your Instagram updates. And if you've got an Instagram presence, this software will offer you a unique way of engaging your Instagram followers. Cool, thanks for listening. This is Sam Becker. I hope this was useful and you now understand what the software does. I look forward to talking with you again soon. Thanks for listening. I'll see you later.